Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'll be guiding you guys how to make money with your Facebook WhatsApp. So for you to get this scope I apply in this work, try and follow this video to the end. First of all, you have to go to your settings, as you can see here. Then after going to your settings, you have to click on broadcast. You can see this broadcast list. Click on broadcast list, so you create you can see a lot of contact I have there. So if you want to create, you click on new list. If you click on it, you'll be marking your contacts one by one, mark them as much as you can. Then after that, you click on create. So after you click on create, you can be making money from this list of yours. You can add as much as 250 contact per time. So any message you send to a person will reflect to all other participants in the group. So now let's have a look. You can just say I. As I say I and I send like this, all of the 6 participants I added here will receive the same message. So the same thing if you want to advertise your business or your market. This laptop is still available or something like this. So all of them will be receiving the laptop at the same particular time. As you can see here, all of them will receive this video at the same particular time. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.